Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm be showing you guys how you can generate this pixel art. I'm just going to be using this video. You can use any video you want. Go to effects, scroll down until you find the cartoon section. Once you're done with that, you are going to find the pixel art and you're going to apply it to your video like so. You can adjust it by going to effects here, select the pencil button. You can adjust the color here, the filters here, the amount. This is just like the amount of the pixels, and you can kind of adjust the size, but I think you can just adjust it here. And that is pretty much it. That's how you can create a pixel art in CapCut PC. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!